Hey guys! I don't know how to start this video because it's such a weird... I don't know where to start. I have not filmed in almost a year, but I wanted to jump back into it. Basically, I'm filming this video to explain where I've been, what's been going on, why have I not filmed, what's happened. So yeah, if you'll let me explain what's been happening, where I've been, and why I haven't even been answering comments from anyone, then I hope you'll keep on watching. Okay, so basically the last video you would have seen is my house tour, which I actually filmed the day of Matt's surprise birthday party. And I actually filmed a second video after that was pretty long, it was actually like a really fun video. I was basically just getting ready for that day and kind of explaining what was happening. I was like really anxious and excited but nervous. Yeah, so then it came to editing, and like many times the video was just totally messed up. My camera does not have like a viewfinder or a flip screen, so when I'm filming I see the front of my camera. I have no idea what's being filmed. I have no idea if my camera stops filming. When I thought I was recording for like the second entire half of the video, I had turned it off. And then when I thought I was turning it off, I turned it on and I had like 14 minutes of me tidying my desk, and it just kind of really, I know that sounds stupid, but this happens all the time. I have filmed so many videos that you guys never get to see because there's always an issue somewhere. It might not be focused and it's too blurry that I wouldn't even want to, try to put it out there. Or there's spots that's missed, and the amount of times that I have to refilm, and because I can't see the back of my camera, I'm constantly like getting up, checking, is it recording, is it still there, coming back, like constantly. So that's why you'll notice a lot of my videos aren't like smooth flowing. There's a lot of editing. I do tend to talk too much and I have to cut that out, but it's very frustrating. So I even just now had to check to make sure that we're all good. I think I might have a better setting. The problem is it's only filming, I can't really show you, it's filming a much smaller screen. So I don't know if that's going to affect the quality. I hope not, but that's just one reason of why. Basically what happened is after that, and after that had happened so many times, I was kind of like put off for a bit. So I was like, you know what, I'm taking a break. I'm getting so frustrated, wasting so much time filming and getting ready, and like I felt like my videos were only getting better and better. And then when I'm telling you, like 15 videos probably like couldn't use, I was like, no, worry about it in the new year, just like relax for a bit. So that was one reason. Another reason was I started to, I feel, get a little bit too wrapped up in the stupid things. For example, like clothing, which I don't know, I feel like you guys might understand, but when you're watching regular mainstream YouTubers who this is their career, this is what they do all the time, they pretty much don't even wear the same shirt twice in a video. So stupid things like I was getting stressed out about what top to wear in a video, or like I guess I need to go buy new clothes because I wore that, like stupid stuff that I know is so stupid, but it's like it was kind of like getting in my head. So I felt a lot of pressure to do hauls, to show, ooh, something's new, go buy it, show it off. Honestly, like I could go buy this stuff. It's not that. I'm a very like reasonable, borderline cheap person. I can't reason going out and buying every single new product, but it's hard because I know that that's what draws people into some of the videos. That's how you get more viewers, is you gotta be the first one to get that out there. So yeah, I felt just like a lot of weird, dumb pressure that I probably put on myself. I've been lucky. So like I was saying, I don't get a lot of like mean comments. There's always like a few random things. If anything, I get mean comments on, if I comment on a video, I'll get like stuff there, which I just don't do anymore. But I did get a comment, and I feel like it's not like I provoked this in any way, but it got to me a little bit, and I think I hated that it got to me. But the reason it got to me is because the person who wrote the comment, basically it was someone who comments on a lot of my videos. And I used to comment back. We actually had like conversations. I would consider them basically like a YouTube friend. But they had wrote a comment about how I was fake, how I said I was doing a big giveaway, which I did months, and I don't even remember when. I did do a giveaway, a big ColourPop giveaway, all my favorite ColourPop products at the moment. They wrote how fake I was, how I never even chose a winner. I really don't even remember it was like decently long. It's not like it was like, you know, a huge paragraph, but it was quite a few lines. And it just like got to me because it's totally not true. I gave away all of that stuff. Nicole Passmore received the prize. She thanked me for it. I reached out to her. I mean, I don't feel like I need to prove myself by showing the Instagram comments back and forth, but that I definitely chose a winner. I didn't just fake this giveaway when I reached, it was when I reached 1,000 subscribers. So it kind of got to me because I took it almost personally because it was like, why are you even saying that? That's totally not true. And obviously that happens all the time if you're going to be making videos on YouTube. Pretty much 98% of what people are going to write is not true. But I think because it was the first time I kind of experienced it, it just kind of like, jabbed me. And what made it worse was there was a lot of comments, like quite a few of people like then replying, like agreeing. And it just like totally threw me through the loop because I didn't understand. I mean, I try to be genuine, sincere. I am honestly, I'm pretty nice, plain person. So reading all this, it just kind of was like, I guess a wake-up call. Clearly, I know there's probably, hopefully no one is super negative in these comments, but it's expected. You have to expect to get things like that. I know that, and I don't know why like it got to me so much, but it did. It was a combination of just everything. So pressure, makeup looks, original content, having the newest products, like wearing nice new stuff all the time. It just kind of got, you know, the filming, the failing of trying to film videos. And then I think that those negative comments was just kind of like the final, like, wow. So that kind of made me step back. So originally my plan was, you know what, New Year. So those videos were filmed in October. Like I said, it was Matt's birthday. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to take like 2.5 months. Just not even worry about it. And then I'll jump back into it in the new year. And then I was kind of thinking about, you know, different content I could put out like after Christmas and stuff. And beginning of November, we went on vacation, Matt and I, to Costa Rica. It's probably like, well, it is the most beautiful place I've ever been in my entire life. I highly recommend if you can get away and go there. And we actually got engaged while we were there. So if you guys saw my Instagram months ago, obviously, I had posted a photo. So he actually had one of the workers there when I was on stage. One of the workers there, Matt had got us on the stage. He wanted to get a nice photo, and he had it all planned, so the worker was taking photos as he went down and did it. So that happened and kind of put a little spin on everything. So honestly, the original plan was take a break, stop stressing, like, free your mind, whatever, like, don't care about the stupid stuff. But once I got engaged, I'm not going to lie, I went into crazy wedding planning mode, like literally instantly. I downloaded Pinterest literally like an hour after he proposed in Costa Rica, like trying to download the app. So I'm like, oh my god. And I'm not someone who ever thought about wedding stuff ever, but I was going to work. So that kind of took me out of the mindset even more. So even when the new year rolled around, I was not thinking about my channel. I was thinking about like bridesmaids, asking my friends, getting dresses, getting my dress, like where are we gonna get married? And that kind of honestly lasted like quite a while. So in the amongst of all of this craziness, wedding planning and all of that, Matt actually started up his own business at the beginning of the new year. I actually think it was end of January, beginning of February. And part of what his business is, he needed to take photos for like the media purposes, for his website, for his Instagram, to kind of show the work that he was doing. So I lent him my camera because it takes great photos, and that way his content and the quality of his photos would be that much better instead of just like an iPhone photo. So that kind of took obviously my camera away, and I did think about it, not super often, but there were many times where I did think about like, oh, it'd be nice to film again and even just sit down. This is almost like a little, it's kind of like relaxing to me, kind of venting. It helps like myself, even though, because there's no one here, right? So it's a little weird, but it's kind of nice. But yeah, so that kind of leads up to basically a few weeks ago, and I just was like, you know what? I'm starting to have a lot more downtime, and it just would be nice to get behind the camera again. So he will still be borrowing my camera, but I kind of like let him know like, kind of wanting it back. So that is kind of what has happened in 2018, because yeah, it was October 2017 is the last time I posted a video. So I'm hoping some of you, or I'm hoping there's a few of you watching and didn't completely forget about me. Hopefully you appreciate my reasoning. I would like to do, because it has been so long, and I've said this in even like many of my previous videos, I want to do a Q&A. So ask me questions. Don't just ask me one. Ask me anything you want. It's been basically a year. I'm going to be filming. I have a list that I've written down because I've had so much time to think about it. Different wedding related videos, different just like lifestyle related videos, like different content that I'm pretty excited to film and fill you guys in on. So if you want to know, I mean, basically it's open to you guys. Anything you want to know, whether it's, you know, makeup related, lifestyle related, wedding related, you know, just feel free to ask in the comments, and I look forward to filming a Q&A. It might be 2 questions. It might be like 20. The more the better. So like I said, don't hold back. I'm pretty excited. I'm hoping I get more than like 2. But yeah, thank you guys so much. It's really refreshing actually. I'm feeling pretty good right now. I'm sitting behind the camera again and kind of giving you guys an update. And I'm excited about some of the upcoming content that I will have. So I hope that you guys will keep watching. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video.